Hello there. Thought I'd do the front garden near the house. Another side. I did that side before. I'm going to do this side now. There's some maple seedlings in here. I think they're big enough to move now. There's some grape hyacinth. What is that called? Oh boy, I really should be better prepared. My goodness. It's a lace leaf Japanese maple that maybe like 3 or 4 years ago, half of it split off in the winter, and I thought it was done. But as you can see, it's come back like gangbusters. This is a conifer, a dwarf, and I guess it's kind of spruce, and it really grows slow. I mean, I think it only grows a few inches a year, but that's fine because it's by the house. Here's tons of epimeniums. See if you can find a flower. Oh, sorry about the sun. Here's one. I just love them, man. All different colors, different kinds of epimeniums, and they look like tiny little orchids to me. And they spread kind of on the surface, but with rhizomes. And then this conifer, I just decided to trim it kind of a bonsai-ish. And this rhododendron, I kind of trimmed it up like a tree. It's probably like 30 or 40 years old. And then here's an old bird bath that doesn't hold water anymore, so I just planted in it. Just for some sedum. Put some shells in it, and I thought this shell looked kind of like a mushroom. And then this was all chewed up by ants or termites. Don't worry, they're not in there anymore. I just put that in there. And that's a heath over there. I love it. It spreads, and you can see some of the white flowers left over. You'll see these flowers all the way in the winter. I mean, in March it'll be blooming. Of course, I need to weed here and edge and all that stuff. Today I picked up this hyssop from a friend's farm stand. What is it called? Kudos Ambrosia Hyssop Agastache. I'm not sure where I'll put it, but I like that it's deer resistant. The butterflies like it. I'm sure the hummingbirds like it too. And then I picked up this. I think it's a painted daisy. Where's the tag? I thought that was pretty bright, and same thing, deer resistant. The butterflies should like it. Of course, I can't resist any form of carnation. And then I picked up this. It takes, let's see, morning sun, afternoon shade, rainbow zebra plant. It's just an annual. Some basil. This one I thought was really interesting too. Let me see if I can find the flower. It's a kind of dianthus or carnation. Petal broke off there, but I thought it was really different. It's very fragrant. Of course, I got some lavender. I'm always replacing lavender every few years. I don't know what that's called, but I thought it was really neat that they all had like spots on them. First I thought it was like hail damage, but no, it's how the flower is. I thought it was kind of neat. I don't know what it's called though. Then I needed more time. And I always like to put things out, extra water for the animals or birds. So, oops. Sorry, wasn't focusing. So this is just this little garden area. Oh, that's right, that plant there's a Fothergelia. This, I trimmed it so much I only got a little bit of flowering that get kind of fuzzy cones on the top. But the leaves are interesting and it hasn't fully leafed out yet. And it has beautiful fall color too. So you get all the seasons. Except for maybe winter, it's not that thrilling in winter. Alright, I hope you're enjoying outside as much as I am. Every week there's something new. Have a good day.